Good morning, sunshine. So it is November, what's today's date? 18th, and today is our C-section date. Yes. So it is 4 a.m. and the car's packed and ready to go. Yeah, so it's almost 4 o'clock. We have to be there at 5. The hospital is like, there's the belly. One last time. This is Madison. This is the belly for the last time. I'm excited. I'm excited to meet this little girl. And Daddy's excited too. Except he's in a hurry because he don't like to be late. And he feels like we're late. And even though I don't think we're late, he thinks we're late. So we're gonna go. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys once we get in the car and situated. So I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we are all ready to go. I just got to my room. We're prepping. Just got my gown on. Yeah, got my gown on. And yeah. What time is it? It's 5:20. So I'm tired. I haven't slept. So I'll post you. I'll keep you guys posted.
I see white people. I'm so scared. I don't know what to do.
Oh, I feel like I need to sit up. Yeah, we're waiting to put baby on monitor and IV, and I'm so hungry. I am like starving, like Marvin. I'm like seriously hungry. But after this, I'm gonna have my husband go get me some bomb food, either today or tomorrow. No, tomorrow, because I won't be able to eat anything today. Yeah. So I'll update you guys back in a little bit. Isn't it? Today's a good day to have a baby. Right? Look at my baby daddy over there.
It's a beautiful day to have a baby.
It is. Say hi.
Hello.
To the sunshine. You have to say sunshines.
Hello, sunshines.
Okay, thank you very much.
So they're my sunshines now.
They are your sunshines. So, yeah. He's in charge of recording, but he over here talking about he see dead people, so
White people.
we don't know.
It was white people.
Yeah, so he's over here seeing stuff, so we don't know how much he's gonna be capable of recording. And I can't record in the OR, but I will record when she's at the warmer. I think I can do that. And her first cry. I'm gonna have Daddy record her first cry and put it in the video. So, yeah.
I don't think we can record in the surgery room.
No, you could, but after certain things you can't record, like my C-section and my opening and all that.
Why? Are they scared?
I'll see you guys later.
Goddamn things are.
So.
Focus on your operation.
So, we are hooked up to the monitor. This is how her little heart goes. Like, her heart is like going. Her heartbeat is going. I have the worst acid reflux. And I have to cough.
You don't have no contractions yet?
I just had one.
I didn't see it on there.
Go look. Go check the paper. Yeah, so we're hooked up to the monitor now, and it's now 5:52. What time is it, honey?
5:56.
5:56. Oh, yeah, so I'll update. We should be getting our IV and stuff soon. So, yeah. Hi, guys. So, I have my IV going. And we're hooked up to the monitor. And, it's now 7:05. And my C-section was scheduled for 7:30, but there's an emergency, so someone else is ahead of me, so mine's delayed. So yeah, anyways, I'll update you guys later.
Yeah, record it.
I'm trying to. It's always funny seeing put the hazmat suit on.
Yeah.
It's like one size fit.
That fits no one, that's what I say.
Oh my goodness.
Wait. That's funny.
I would hate to have gained way more, a lot more weight. It's crazy. This is what I need for work, to tell you the truth.
Really? Alright.
Get out that Say hello, Daddy.
Oh, Lordy.
I don't know how she was sitting in utero.
Okay.
The pediatrician just check it. It should come back out, but
Okay.
just make sure there's, that she has no trouble with movement of that foot or anything, okay? This one looks perfect. She's got a nice arch.
Okay.
I hear you. I do hear you. She says, thank you. I'm singing, so I'm glad you hear me.
Yeah.
And assess. Daddy is more than welcome to come with her, or if he wants to stay with you, that's okay too. What would you like him to do?
So that one's the fibroid.
Do you want him to stay
I'll stay with you.
you, or do you want to go with baby?
I'll stay with you.
Okay.
You stay with baby? That way you can get pictures and all that. Give mommy a kiss. We'll see you in just a little bit. Oh my goodness. Okay. Give me a baby girl. Give me a baby girl. Got me 6'11".
6 pounds 11, wow.
Oh, I know, Angel. I know. So 19 inches long.
Oh, wow. Maddie. Yes. No, no.
Oh, yeah, no.
I'm upset.
I'm so sorry.
She's like, what's going on?
She's like, people. Oh, that's my hand. Can I have it? I need my hand. I know. You said Madison, right?
Madison, yeah. What? What's the matter? What's the matter?
That would a diaper on you.
What's the matter, Maddie? What? What's the matter, Maddie?
I know, it's so bad. Oh, you're so dramatic, Madison. You're so dramatic. That's too wet. I gotta think.
Okay, thanks.
Perfect.
One is on its way.
Hey, Maddie. Hey, Maddie. Hi. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Yes. Hey, baby. Yes. Oh, baby. Yes, baby. Yes.
I'm trying to return my Jaxson. If you can make that happen, I'd like to know how to do. Thank you.
What's with the movement of the hands? Hmm?
How you recording?
Nah, it was
Right, because that's the 10 o'clock work.
Yes, ma'am.
She's hungry.
She's not that bad.
Hmm?
Hello, boys.
Hey there, darling.
It's not as bad.
Okay,
She's tired. So here we are. She first latched on. And she latched on like a pro.
I know.
Look at her go.
No, she's such a professional. Good girl.
And Mama's doing okay.
Yes.
Can't feel her legs though. So like if I come down here and squeeze, she can't feel anything.
Come on, Mama. Wake up.
Still on her leg?
No, you.
Hi guys, look who I have here. It's Madison. Maddie, you want to say hi? You want to say hi, baby? Say hi to the sunshines. Yes. Yeah. Say hi. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, there she is. Yes. Say hi. Yeah, so we are, everything went well. The lighting is changing because the sun is going down. But everything went well. We had no complication except for a big old fibroid that they removed. And apart from that, baby girl and I are doing amazing. That cough went away like instantly. And yeah, she latched on so well to the boob, but my milk didn't, my milk haven't came in, so we ended up having to give her a bottle because she was like starving. So yeah, but she is so precious, guys. I couldn't be any more happy with her. Oh. So anyways, I'm gonna go spend some time with her. And this is going to be it for the delivery vlog of Madison Aaliyah. So here she is. And once I have her all dressed and I'm up out of bed, I'll be able to give you guys more footage. And it is a girl. Because when they pulled her out, I was like, is it a girl or a boy? And they're like, she's a girl. So, yeah, that's better. So, yeah, I'm excited. And she completes our family. And it's just amazing to hold a baby in your arm after, you know, a miscarriage. And it's, look at her.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
She's like, I was born to do this. Her older, her brother came, Jaxson came to visit her. And I like the fact that he met her first. That way there's no competition tomorrow and stuff, so.
Who does she look like? She looks like me, right?
She looks like her daddy.
Yes.
We don't know yet. The debate is still out as to who she looks like, but yeah. But thank you guys so much for all your prayers, your thoughts, and yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go bond with this little girl, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.